little friends, welcome to Toddlo English. Oh no, today I have a big problem, my dears, because look, the numbers are lost. Yeah, they are lost. Can you help me find them? Will you help me? Oh, thank you, my dears. Well, where is one? What do you think? Where is number one? Oh, it is one. No, this is five. Is it one? No, this is three. Oh, it is one. Yeah, we found one. Okay, my dears. The next is, where is two? What do you think? Where is two? Oh no, number two is sleeping. Where is it two? No, it is 10. Is it two? No, it is 6. Where is two? Two. Number two, where is? Oh, it is number 2. This is number 2. Wow. The next is, okay. What do you think? Where is 3? My dears, the hungry monster wants to eat number 3. So we must find number 3. Quick, my dears, where is number 3? Where is number 3? Oh, here. This is number 3. Yeah, this is number 3, my dears. Well, my dears, the next number, what do you think? What is the next number? The next number is 5? No. The next number is 9? No. Yeah, the next number is 4. We have found 4. Amazing, my dears. The next is, what do you think? The next is 5. The next number is 5, my dears. You are very active today. Yeah, very active. Oh, my dears, our next number is 6. It's hiding. Where is our 6? Where is our 6, my dears? Oh, number 6 is hiding. We must find it quickly. Yeah, my dears, it is number 6. We have found it also. The next is number 7. My dears, we must hurry because hungry monster is wanting our numbers, so we must find them quickly. Okay, the next is number 7. Yes, the next is number 7. We have found also it. The next is 8. The next is 8. The next number is 9. The next number is 9, my dears. Our last number is hiding. Where is it? What do you think? Where is it? Hungry monster is coming. We must hurry. We must hurry, my dears. Our next number is 10. 10 is here. We have also found it. Wow. Great, my dears. You are very active today. You are very amazing. You are very clever, my dears. We found all numbers together. Let's celebrate. Turn around. Today we celebrate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, my dears. You are number heroes. Thank you for helping me, my dears. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next time on Toddlo English. Bye bye, my heroes.